Got a new Netvip Wi-Fi range extender? The fastest way to set it up is by using the WPS button on your router. If your main router has a WPS button, you can be connected in under 2 minutes. No passwords to type, no complicated apps. I'll show you the exact step-by-step process. Let's get started. Step 1. Unboxing, extender and power on. First, unbox your extender, and inside the box you will get a Netvip extender itself, one Ethernet cable, and a quick start guide. For the initial setup, plug your Netvip extender into a power outlet right next to your main Wi-Fi router. We need a strong, clear signal for this quick pairing. Wait for the power LED to light up solid. Give it about 30 seconds to fully boot up. Step 2. Press the WPS button on your main router. Go to your main Wi-Fi router and find its WPS button. Press for 2 seconds and release it. Step 3. Press the WPS button on extender. Within 2 minutes, go to your range extender and press WPS button for 2 seconds. Now just wait. The extender and router will communicate automatically. In about 30 to 60 seconds, the blinking WPS or signal LED on your Netvip extender should turn solid. A solid light means the connection is successful. Step 4. Connect to your new extended network. On your phone, laptop, or tablet, go to your Wi-Fi settings. You should now see new network names broadcast by your Netvip extender. They will usually be your original network name with _ext or a similar suffix added. Connect to this new network using the exact same password as your main Wi-Fi. That's it. You're now on the extended network. If this quick and easy method worked for you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more guides. Thanks for watching.